Good day, everyone. My name is Yan Estenoso from BSOM Y1-1. Today, I will be talking about Lesson 6 Global Divides, the North and the South. I'll be discussing three important concepts that shape international relations and global development: globalism, civilization discourse, and modernization theory. These ideas help us understand how countries interact, how power is distributed, and how societies develop over time. Globalism. According to Manfred Steger, globalism is not just about technology or trade. It is about nations actively participating in the global economy. Joining the global economy is not just an option, but a responsibility. Countries that integrate benefit from progress, while those remain isolated risk being left behind. Civilization discourse. Civilization discourse explains how colonial ideologies shaped our world order. Colonizers divided societies into so-called civilized and uncivilized, creating hierarchies that justified domination. The legacy of this thinking is still with us today as global relations continue to show power imbalances rooted in the colonial history. Modernization theory. Walter Rostow's modernization theory suggests that all societies move through a linear path, starting with agriculture, then industry, and reaching as a consumer society. In other words, the goal is to follow the Western model of growth. However, critics argue that the view of Eurocentric it ignores cultural and historical differences, assuming that one size fits all. Now let's connect these ideas. Globalism highlights the benefits of integration into the world economy. Civilization discord reminds us of the colonial legacies that created inequality. Modernization theory provides us with a development model, but its limits remind us to be cautious. Together, this concept reveals that both opportunities and challenges global development. So what can we take away? First, we should embrace globalism, but ensure fairness and inclusivity. Second, we must address colonial legacies and ongoing inequalities. Third, we should respect cultural diversity in development. And lastly, we must avoid treating Western models as the only path to progress. In conclusion, globalism and civilization discourse and modernization theory are concepts that continue to shape global order. By critically examining them, we can work toward building a world that is just more inclusive, sustainable for everyone. And that is all for my lesson. Thank you.